Evergreen. Candid. New trends in social science. The Earth and the Solar System. Various objects that we see shining in the sky are called celestial bodies or heavenly bodies. The Sun, the Moon, our Earth, the stars, planets, asteroids, comets and meteors are all celestial bodies. The heavenly bodies exist in space. The word universe stands for everything that exists in space. Stars. Some celestial bodies are made up of gases. They are very big and hot and have their own heat and light. These celestial bodies are called stars. The Sun is also a star. There are countless twinkling stars in the sky, similar to the Sun. They look so tiny and we do not feel their heat or light because they are very far away from us. The brightest star behind Sun is Sirius. Galaxy. There are parts of space where billions of stars are clustered together. These clusters of stars are known as galaxies. Milky Way or Akash Ganga. Our solar system is a part of the galaxy called the Milky Way or Onocles. Distances in astronomy. It is not possible. Constellations. If we look at the sky on a clear night, we will notice various patterns formed by longitude and latitude. Motions of the Earth. The Earth has two types of motions. Rotation. The movement of the Earth on its axis is called revolution,